Okay, boys and girls, in our English today, we're going to be writing instructions for making a jam sandwich. On Monday, you actually made a jam sandwich, and today we're going to write the instructions for a friend to follow. So you need to remember all the different steps that you took and the features of writing instructions. So we're just going to go over them before you write your instructions. Instructions are written for someone who needs to know how to do something. Instructions for writing recipes, playing a game in a certain way, making something, and a poster which might be telling somebody how to do something, like staying safe. When we write instructions, there are things that we need to remember, and we've done this already, boys and girls, but I'm just going to go over the important things that we need to remember in our own instruction writing. Number one is we always write our instructions in the present tense. That means it's telling somebody what they have to do straight away. It's not talking about what's happened in the past. You might be saying, first, put on the butter. Okay, you're telling somebody what to do at that point. Number two is using time adverbials to begin each step. So we've talked about time adverbials before. It's words like first, next, after that, finally. Number three is using imperative verbs in your instructions that tell people exactly what it is they have to do. So words like stir and pour and spread. These are all words that tell people what to do. Number five, we've got to use clear descriptions. So if you're saying something about the butter, you need to be clear what it is you want them to do with the butter. Next, spread the butter onto the bread. Really clear. Number six, at the very top of our instructions, we must make sure that we say what our instruction's about, and make sure we have a title, a clear title, which would be how to make a jam sandwich. Number seven, we've got to use subheadings, or these can sometimes be called bullet points in our instruction writing. So these will clearly lay out the order in which we have to complete the instructions. So you might have numbered subheadings, or you might have dots at the start of your sentences. And these are called bullet points. What I'd like you to do now is first of all talk with your grown-up about how you made the jam sandwich, just to recap and see that you remember all the different stages. Then I'd like you to imagine that you have a friend that can't make a jam sandwich. Can you write the instructions for each step for your friend to follow? And remember to include all the different features of instructions in your writing. I'll attach a checklist for you to follow for when you write your instructions. Okay, send them in to us. Look forward to seeing those, boys and girls. Okay, see you soon.